Happy Wednesday. It's December the 3rd. It's the 156th day of the second half of 2014, or the 337th day of the year. And they're having a convention here. It's pretty fun. They announce themselves when they arrive too. So today, since it's raining, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain, or swim and bathe in the rain. They love it. So you got to learn from the birds. So have a phenomenal rest of your Wednesday, and may you be happier than a camel on Wednesday, or happier than the little guy over there, Duncan. So have a super day.